This is the boost tube kit for the 340R. This is what it consists of: your top plate with your custom logo, your mounting plate, your factory tube that's been cut 100mm long, 2 screws, which I'll show you where they go. There are 8mm head and 4 Allen key bolts, which are a 4mm socket, 4mm Allen key, sorry. So to fit your base plate, it's quite easy. Locate your first hole onto your first bolt. Slide this between the factory switch bracket, I believe it was, and the body. That goes on there. You've got a second bolt here. That will locate up. You get 2 little nuts. Put them on. You will do these up with a spanner. I'm just doing them finger tight for a minute. This one can be a bit tricky. Then we grab our boost tube, top plate, flange plate, with our 4 Allen key bolts. We set the tube in there, locate that over the air cleaner, bring it down, grab the first Allen key, put it in. Don't have to do it all the way up. Get your second one. Do the same. Third. Fourth, and now you can do them all up. Get your boost tube, and that's it. It bolts on.